I would love to go there for a vacation, and God help me, God bless me. See, if my money complete, guys, I don't know when that money will complete. So if you see that Maldives, anytime my money complete, anytime our money day, like it don't complete, see, they see that Maldives, we go there. Oh. Hi, welcome back to the channel. Just in case you're clicking on this video for the very first time, you are welcome. And my name is Chiamaka, aka Mama B on the streets of YouTube, guys. So how you all doing today? So I don't know if I should say I'm excited and I'm angry. You get, but okay, let me just talk about the good one. I'm excited because I've been really wanting to film this content for you guys, but it's been I've been postponing it. Yes, but the other one, which whereby I'm angry, is because I was literally getting ready to film this content, and guys, all of a sudden, they took the lights. Oh my god, I'm so it can be so annoying, very very annoying. You get, but anyway, I decided to just shoot the content like that because see, there's no time to waste. So right now, I'm in front of my window, trying to use a natural light to film this content. At the same time, using my phone camera because I feel like the back camera gives me this quality, but everywhere is dark right now. There's no light, and I just have to like use what is available. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. So please pardon the quality in case it's not just giving, but there I just have to do what I want to do, what I have to do. Okay, so guys, that aside, welcome back to the channel. To my old subscribe, thank you so much for joining this video, and to my new guys, to my new family, you guys are welcome. So let's just go straight into this video because I feel like I've said so much here. So in this video I'm talking about 7 things I would love to do. These 7 things are the interesting things I really look forward to do in my life. So just in case you're seeing me looking down, just know that I have my book or my journal right here. So the first thing I would love to do as a human being, as a woman, is ride the bicycle. It's so funny, like at this age of my adulthood, I don't know how to ride a bicycle. It's very funny, right? You get, so I would love to learn how to ride a bicycle because I really don't know how to do that. So if I should see a coach that can teach me how to ride a bicycle, guys, trust me, I wouldn't mind paying for that, just to learn, because I feel like, is it really a skill? I really don't know, but for some reasons, I really want to learn how to ride a bicycle because, and also it's also a form of an exercise. You get, especially for the new. You get, so that's number one. Number two is swimming. Oh my god, guys, I love water so much. Like, I love anything water. I love to play inside the water. I love to go to the beach. I love to just play inside the water. I get, so but the fact that I don't know how to swim, guys, it's literally pisses me off. So that's number two. The second thing I would love to do as a human being, just that all my life I've never really seen the importance of swimming, but I got to know that it's a very important skill. Like swimming, guys, swimming is a really good thing to learn, no, even for kids, because see, you don't know where you find yourself. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, because you need to learn how to swim to save yourself. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. You get, so that's number two. I would really love to learn how to swim. So I'm looking forward to doing that even with my kids as well. For us to get a coach that would teach us how to swim. Number three is I would really love to experience a train ride. Actually I've experienced it though, but that was when I went to Omo Resort here in Lagos. I went there with my kids. Although, but that particular thing right there, it wasn't really interesting to me because the way I even sat down safe, my leg was paining me. So when I mean train ride, a proper train ride. So I would love to experience that again, you get. So the number four is boat cruise. Oh my god. Like I said, guys, I love water so much. I love to, have fun inside the water, you get. So I've not really experienced boat cruise. But although I still have this fear in me, because in my head I'm like, what if this boat now capsize? You see why I said that it's good to learn how to swim, but you get this kind of thought that used to play with somebody's head, you get. So maybe because of that I've not really had the time, or or make our time to have that kind of fun. But I really would love to have that boat cruise fun, because guys, I've seen it a lot. I see the way people go about this thing, the way they have fun with it, and it they suit me for body. I'm not gonna lie you. So I would love to have experience of that. But just that it's kind of expensive though, because there was a time I went to Lekki or VI to make an inquiry about that, and they told me like I think in a group of 6 or 7 is like 200,000. You get. So but then I've not really seen a group of people that I can go with. But if I should see, I would love to use the opportunity to have some fun. So boat cruise is one thing I would love to do. You get. So number one is riding a bicycle, number two is swimming, number three is train ride, and number four is boat cruise. So I'm really looking forward to trying these new things. Okay, and please, if you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed, I beg you, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, just like the video. Okay, number five is living on the island. Not really living on the island, but like for example now, Maldives. Is it Maldives or Maldives? I don't know how they pronounce it, sha, but you guys know what I'm saying. Maldives. Okay, so I would really love to experience Maldives, going there for a vacation with my boo or with my kids. And what about me is that anywhere I'm going to, I love to allow my kids to experience that, because I feel like I always have this mom guilt in me. I don't know if that makes sense. You get. So I feel like if I don't really go there and I leave my kids behind, I feel as if I am cheating them or something. So I just feel that that spirit of mom guilt should leave me alone, because I always have that. That's why whenever I'm going out, I always love my kids to have the same experience with me. You get. Because when I was like them, there's some experiences that they're having now that I did not have at their age. So that's why I always love to carry them along. But then I understand the fact that as a mom and a parent that I am, it's always good to have your own space. Yeah, I know all those stuff. But then so Maldives is a place I would love to go. I would love to experience the waterfront, the vibes surrounding Maldives or Maldives. I just want to experience it, guys. So Maldives, is it Maldives or Maldives? I don't know, but I would love to go there for a vacation, and God help me, God bless me. See, if my money complete, guys, I don't know when that money will complete. So if you see that Maldives, anytime my money complete, anytime our money day, like it all complete, see, they see that Maldives, we go there. Oh. I cannot come and carry last in this matter. We must go there, whether the devil like it, whether inflation like it or not. I must experience that Maldives. I mean, Maldives, I go experience that. I also love to experience the vacation in a beach house. So even though I cannot afford the Maldives, hey, there are beautiful, amazing beach houses here in Lagos State. So I would love to experience that. Maybe a staycation. Not a vacation is not for beach house. If I'm going for a beach house, not really a vacation. Maybe probably a staycation again. So if I want to go for a vacation, I would prefer go to Maldives. Is it Maldives? What am I even saying? Sure, you guys are gonna understand what I'm saying again. Okay, so number five is living on the island, Maldives, and beach house. That's one thing I would love to do or experience. Okay, the number six is learning how to play keyboards or piano. My kids, one of my children, which is Kamsi Ochukwu, he's learning how to play piano. Okay, and whenever I see him playing this piano, I always find so much interest in that. Like I always tell myself, maybe one day I would love to learn how to play this, because I love the sound. I love the way like people fingers moves on the keyboard, so it interests me a lot. So keyboard is one thing that I would love to do. I cannot really wait to do that. Maybe by the time my son comes in, finish, when he's now perfect in learning how to play a keyboard, I might even tell him to even teach mommy. Or what do you guys think? So learning the piano is one thing I would love to do, or I would love to experience. Okay, and the last one but not the least is learning. If I should say this word, you guys will be so shocked. That's why I left it for number 7 and the last one, because okay, let me just say it. But people should not laugh. People should not laugh. And people should not tell me Agbaya like me. Hey, don't say it. So the 7th one is learning how to drive. Yes, so I don't know how to drive. I'm sorry. I know you're like, this woman really, yes. I don't know how to drive. Although I learned how to drive sometime in I think sometime in 2015. No, not really 2015. Sometime in 2017, I was learning how to drive. One of my husband's driver was teaching me that time, but the man died, and since then, I never get time, not really get about. Since that, I just lost interest in learning how to drive. So anyway, I want to go. Is that my husband, takes me, or most of the time I just book a ride. Thank God, at least there is ride, there is Uber, there is boats, there is all these different car platforms. You get so ride platforms. So there are a lot of them right now. So I just feel like it's easier for me to because at times driving on your own can be really stressful. You get so yeah, and there's keke again. You guys get there's keke. You guys get what I'm saying. So, I don't have to drive, but I would really love to learn how to do that. So I'm looking forward to going to a driving school, but I always feel lazy about that because in my head I'm like, where am I even going? It's not like I have places to go. It just from my home to work, or yeah, which is my office, my bakery. Then from my bakery, I come back home, just like that. And then on Sunday we go to church. So my life, that's how my life has been. Not like I have a very serious place to go like that. So maybe that's why I've been feeling reluctant in learning how to drive. You guys get me? So that's for number 7. I would really love to learn how to drive, but maybe when I make up my mind 100% to go and do that, then I'll go to a driving school. But for now, I do not know. But let me just. But like I said, I would love to learn how to drive. So if you are telling me, hey, this one I don't know how to drive, Agbaya, that will concern you. After all, I know that I'm not the only person at this my age or at the way I am that does not know how to drive. Be plenty for this table. But then if you don't know how to drive, let me know in the comment section. Let me know whether I'm the only one or I'm not let me work out come. People should give me hope in the comment section. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. So guys, that's it for this video. These are the 7 things I would love to do as a human being that I am. I would love to experience that. Just a quick recap. The first one is riding a bicycle. The second one is swimming. The third one is train ride. The fourth one is boat cruise. The fifth one is living on the island or the beach house. The sixth one is learning how to play keyboards or a piano, and the seventh one is learning how to drive. So guys, these are the 7 things. I know that there are more, but that are the 7 important ones that I feel like I would love to experience. So guys, that's it for this video, guys. So thank you all so much for watching. So I would love to hear your own thoughts in the comment section. Let me know in the comments what things would you love to experience as a human being. It doesn't really matter the age, because see guys, like we all know, age is just a number again. So it doesn't matter the age you experience it, but let me know the things that you would love to experience as a human being that you are, or as a woman or a man that you are. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay. Oh my god, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have watched to this point and have not subscribed, I beg you, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Just like the video, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. I look forward to your thoughts. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it if you can, and also drop your thoughts as well in the comment section. So guys, I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. You guys should stay blessed and stay fabulous. I love you so much, guys. Bye.